Hello everyone, I'm Mervin and I'm back again with another video. And as you can see from my past or recent video, I show you how to grow string beans. And now, since I didn't show you how to harvest string beans, I'm gonna show you how to harvest them because most of them are ready to harvest. As you can see, when I vlogged this a few days back, this are not ready yet, and most of this are. So I'm gonna teach you how to know if they are ripe. This one is ripe. This is how you will know if it's ripe or not. This small one is not ripe yet because it's very thin, but if it's like a little bit thicker like this, then it's ripe. And it doesn't matter if it's short or long. Sometimes it's really short but it's already ripe. So I just twist it like this. This is really hard with one hand, but just twist it like that and you got it. This one, we can actually get 2 of them. Hey! Okay, so from that we have all of this, guys, and all of this are ready. So I'm just gonna put them right here. As you can see, these guys as well are ready for harvest. As you can see, both these two are also ripe. Okay, there you go. These two are ripe as well. So as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. This one is really short, but this is already ready for harvest. So I'm just gonna get that. And this side is clear, so we're gonna move to here. These two are both ready for harvest. This one is really good, as you can see right here. This one is long and thick. This is a really good one. Just turn it like that. And yeah, that's a good one. So yeah, guys, this is everything we have, and I know that this is not like a lot, but this is, for me, this is a lot for this small space. And they've produced all this, and yeah, I don't know how my mother is gonna cook this, but this is everything. And this is quite heavy. And while we're here, I wanted to show you guys this rose that I planted last month, and they've been doing really great. Look at that. There's buds everywhere, ready to bloom. So yeah. So guys, this is the biggest plot twist of this video. My mother said that she won't cook it and just suggested that I will sell it. So I'm gonna do as she say, and we're gonna divide them into 2 parts. Then we're gonna tie them with rubber band and we're gonna sell them. So each like rubber band will be 10 pesos, so this is 20 pesos in total. I think that's a pretty good deal. So just lay it like that. And put some rubber band in. And this is everything we've harvested, and I'm really happy for this harvest, guys, and I hope you learn a lot from this video and how you could harvest your own string beans. So this is Mervin, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.